today. We have commenced this project about 2 years ago, and decided that while we are running it up, this road to it is a critical asset. That if it is not planned, to prevent the bad imagery from all those who are coming in. So we decided to assist ourselves, assist the community, and assist the state government on the disruptive effort to create value over Enugu. That is why we decided that today, which we are going to be the final phase of asphalting this whole place.
This is what His Excellency Dr. Peter Mbah envisaged when he left the private sector to come and serve in the public sector, to engineer our people, for all of us to come back home, our homeland, to our dear state. This is remarkable.
What we know across the world is that no government alone can build infrastructure, and there is always need for private sectors to come in to support the effort of the government. So on that note, that we want to honestly commend you, because the stride we have taken towards the expansion of Enugu and development of Enugu is unprecedented.
I'll say that again, I will extend the appreciation of the entire people of the government and the people of Enugu government for the consistent partnership that they have shown to us, both as a local government and also as a people, because we people are major components of the Enugu local government. And we understand that this partnership has lasted a number of years. So we say thank you for the consistency you have shown that partnership. Thank you for always pursuing this vision, vigorously pursuing this vision, and irrespective of what the climate of the country, the economic climate of the country, continue to push, continue to deliver on this project.
We want to say thank you very much. You also know that we, the revenue sector, when it develops, the revenue rises. So we want to thank you, and we also want to thank you for the road you are constructing to give this place a new definition.
Plans are the same everywhere, but the value that is added to it determines. Here, this place is highly valued because of its
in the real estate sphere, we call him Daddy. In fact, he has done so much that nobody in other zones will just say Eastern people. In fact, whenever we get to the national, everybody talks about the East.
Copen, building lives and structures.